Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
So you might be wondering, what the hell is a blondie? So a blondie is basically a rich, sweet dessert bar which resembles a brownie but substitutes vanilla for cocoa and contains brown sugar. Now I never really thought about, brownie, blondie, but anyways, I learned it today. It was cool. It was actually pretty good. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. As for the ingredients for the Funfetti birthday cake batter blondies, you are going to need 10 tablespoons of melted butter, which also equals out to 142 grams, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of molasses, but I didn't have that, so I just used honey, 1 cup flour, 1/3 cup white chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup of rainbow sprinkles. By the way, those last two measurements, I kind of just eyeballed it. I didn't actually measure it, so yeah. So as always, you want to start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, you kind of combine everything together. I feel useless that I'm even showing you how to do this, but we'll do it together. So I got an electric mixer and decided to beat my butter and sugar together first. Then I went on to add my egg, vanilla, and my honey and just beat that until nicely combined. And then I folded in my flour with a spatula. Being careful not to overmix it, I folded in my chocolate chips and my sprinkles, just however much I thought was necessary. And then I just grabbed a square-shaped pan that I also used for my cheesecake, and doing the same method where I use aluminum foil to just line the bottom so that it doesn't stick. And then I just poured in all of my batter and used my fingers to kind of press it into the pan and create a nice shape. Then I just tossed it into the oven for what said 20 to 23 minutes. It said that the importance of this was to be gooey, so I decided to play it safe, sorry for my word, and put it in for 18 minutes, but that still kind of overbaked it a little bit. So I recommend checking in like really often after like maybe the 15-minute mark or something, just because mine did brown a little bit on the edges and it wasn't like a gooey-ish texture. Anyways, I let that cool completely, and then I just removed it from the pan and decided to cut it through just 4x3, and it turned out pretty good. I'm just glad it didn't burn, and so I just displayed it really nice. I poured in a little bit of tea for you so that it's more aesthetically pleasing, and had a nice little milk shot. I'm going too far deep into this, but I hope you're enjoying the visuals. Anywho, I think this episode of Baking with Amy was very short. Sorry, I just made that up. That's not a series. But anyways, it's very short. But again, I'm just trying to explore everything, so I'm just taking along with me. I think this was pretty good. Again, I don't eat my baking as I explained in my last video, so I'm not going to be eating them. But they were pretty good, and I would give them to friends. And I like that it's like white chocolate chips instead of chocolate chips. It's like the whole white theme. I don't know, whatever. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys try it out or something. I don't know. Let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.